You're watching CKWS News at Noon. Thanks for joining us on this beautiful Monday afternoon. It is beautiful, lots of sunshine, very nice temperatures. That should be the trend that should carry us through all week long. Kingston getting to around 22 degrees today, well above average. In fact, might even hit 23 degrees today, but overnight will drop down to just 14 degrees. Pretty good sleeping conditions, mostly cloudy sky overnight, and then a chance of a very light rain in the morning. How early? Well, I'm thinking between Kingston and Belleville at around 4 a.m., but again, it's just a trace amount if we do see it at all, and that should be a great morning commute for you tomorrow. In fact, a great morning commute for the rest of the week. Lots of sunshine, very nice temperatures, and we'll concentrate on Belleville right now. 24 degrees here expected high today, outstanding, mostly clear sky. 20 tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, getting to 21 on Wednesday. Also some sunny periods. Brockville 22 degrees today, 20 tomorrow, mostly cloudy, 21 on Wednesday. Also some sunny periods. And for Smiths Falls, 21 degrees your expected high today, well above average, lots of sunshine. 19 tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, and variable cloudiness for Wednesday as well. 21 degrees, and some single-digit overnight lows for the next several nights, though. And for Kingston, we'll climb to 23 degrees today, wall-to-wall sunshine for the most part. 20 degrees tomorrow, mostly cloudy. 21 on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. Also, all 3 days, a mix of sun and clouds. Not a bad 5 days, I'd say.
What a beautiful weekend we had, and there's more of that yet to come. It's technically, it's officially fall now, but we're looking at summer-like conditions to extend right into the latter part of September. Increasing cloud tonight. Yes, there is that small chance of showers tonight and through the morning, but that probability ends quickly through the day. It may take a while for that cloud to clear, but we are looking at some partial clearing through the day tomorrow. Temperatures will be slightly above normal throughout the week, and we've got mostly sunny conditions for most of the week. Very, very nice conditions. If you took a late summer vacation, things are looking pretty good. Or early fall vacation, depends on which way you look at it. Very beautiful conditions. 22 in Kingston for a high today, and 18 is the norm. 20 in Brockville, 21 in Smiths Falls and Ottawa. We had a 24 in Belleville today, 22 in Peterborough, 23 in Oshawa, and 24 in Toronto today. So everybody just above normal. Sitting at 21 degrees right now, northeast winds 22, gusting to 35. That's data gathered at the top of the hour from Norman Rogers Airport. Mostly cloudy conditions out there right now. That cloud is already starting to build up. We hope to see some sunny periods tomorrow, but for the most part, you're going to see a lot of cloud moving through the region. Yes, less than 12 hours of daylight now, yeah, you know it's fall when, right? High pressure in the north, and because of the high pressure that we're going to be experiencing over the next week is positioned in the north, it's going to be a drier air mass. You're not getting that push from the south. When the highs are in the south, you get all that moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and that can create humidex factors. When you're in the 20s and you get a lot of moisture, you can see that 5, 6, 7 point spread, even higher between temperature and how warm it feels. You're not going to get that. Those temperatures you're about to see throughout the forecasts we're going to present in a moment will be true low 20s, low to mid 20s for most of you. And it's not just 2, but 3 areas of high pressure, keeping a lot of active weather at bay. I mean, these disturbances aren't very powerful, but enough that they could bring cloud and showers to the region. That's not the case as they actually move farther south thanks to the building of high pressure. And as this low comes up along the east coast, these areas of high pressure start to move out that way as well, deflecting it. It's likely to go out to the Atlantic. We're not really going to see a great deal of cloud coverage. We're not going to see the shower activity building either. So here's the small probability we have this evening. 30 to 40% across southern and eastern Ontario, and then it's out of the way. That is just sort of cloud over Tuesday, and into Wednesday you're still seeing a little bit of cloud, but it's not thick cloud. You're still going to see some of that blue sky through there, and throughout Wednesday we see it thin out quite a bit. We've got mostly sunny conditions for the balance of the week as a result of that high pressure building in the north. 21 for a high over Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in Belleville, and mostly cloudy tomorrow, cloudy, some sunny periods Wednesday, and a mix of sun and cloud for Thursday. Enjoy, Quinty. Brockville, a high 20, mostly cloudy tomorrow. For Wednesday, it's a mix of sun and cloud with a high of 21, more of the same Thursday, and a high of 22. Smiths Falls rising to 19 degrees tomorrow with a mix of sun and cloud. Wednesday, more of the same, high 21. You'll rise to 22 Celsius on Thursday. Again, a mix of sun and cloud. Kingston, your forecast, hitting 20 Celsius for a high tomorrow. Mostly cloudy for Wednesday, a mix of sun and cloud up to 21 degrees, rising to 21 again on Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud. A mix of sun and cloud Friday with a high 20. Lots of sunshine over the weekend and highs of 23. Let's hope nothing changes between now and then. That's a perfect weekend for this time of year. And Monday, as you get back to work, still mainly sunny and a high of 23. Now your weather wallpaper. Dennis Allen of Kingston sends this in. This was an early morning shotgun start at Colonnade Golf and Country Club. For those of you who don't know, a shotgun starts when everybody starts at the same time, just at different holes. Sure beats lining up behind that one hole, right? Great weather for it, too. You can't complain. Anybody hitting the tees over the next week have been blessed. Very, very good weather conditions.
Yes, I think the golf courses will be very busy over the next week and certainly next weekend if your forecast holds true. You've got me hooked. I want to see what's in the 10-day forecast coming up, considering we've got all those 23s coming up at the end of this week.
Yes, it does look good. The extended beyond the 7-day into the 10-day still looks very nice.
Ooh, all right. Well, we can't wait to see it. Bill, we'll see you back here in a bit for your long-range details. Thank you.
You're watching CKWS News at 11.
Lots of high pressure in the area. That's going to clear things up. I mean, we have that increase in cloud tonight, a small chance of showers. Don't you worry, though. High pressure in the north is really growing and pushing in. At one point, we're actually going to have 3 highs to the north. And so because these highs are in the north, the sort of dominating systems that are bringing that cooler air, it's going to be very dry air as well. And so humidity is going to drop. You're not going to see that humidex factor. And so if you're getting a 21, 22, 23, it's a true low 20s across the region. There's a small low here, but it can't get near us, and it ends up tracking a little more southerly than it first expected. We have another low moving up along the coast, and it's probably going to get deflected out into the Atlantic as this high pressure doesn't just grow, it starts to track to the east, blocking these lows. And so we've got a nice sunny stretch as a result of this, these systems that are sort of the highs and the lows that are sort of fighting one another. Belleville, high 21, mostly cloudy tomorrow. You will see a bit of cloud on Wednesday, too, but by the afternoon, we're hoping to see it get back to more so a mix of sun and cloud. For Thursday, a mix of sun and cloud and a high of 21. Brockville up to 20 degrees, mostly cloudy tomorrow. Mix of sun and cloud Wednesday and rising to 21. Hitting 22 Celsius for a daytime high on Thursday, and a mix of sun and cloud. Smiths Falls, nearly 20 degrees tomorrow with a mix of sun and cloud. More of the same Wednesday with a high 21. You rise to 22 Thursday, and a mix of sun and cloud. Kingston, your forecast, rising to 20 degrees tomorrow, mostly cloudy. Hope to see some partial clearing by the evening, and Wednesday, a high 21, mix of sun and cloud. A high of 21 Thursday. Mix of sun and cloud, more of the same Friday, and up to 20 degrees. 23 will be your high on Saturday, loads of sunshine. Nice and clear on Sunday, too, with a high of 23, rising to 23 Celsius again Monday, and mostly sunny.